What is the relevance of Bretton Woods institutions such as the IMF and the World Bank in today's globalized world? In today's globalized world, the Bretton Woods institution, the World Bank, and the International Monetary Fund remain very important since they contribute to the preservation of world economic stability. The IMF works to maintain international monetary system by offering financial assistance and policy recommendation to nations experiencing economic crisis. The World Bank assists in reducing poverty and encourages economic programs, especially in developing nations. As the world grows more interconnected, both organizations are important for controlling global financial system, resolving economic inequality, and promoting international collaboration. Number two. What does the history of Bretton Woods tell us? How shall we trust in how shall we trust its institutions given the criticism and blunders provided by Stiglitz? According to the Bretton Woods, the institution's history, they were established following World War II with the goals of increasing international collaborations, preventing further depressions, and advancing global economic stability. However, detractors like Joseph Stiglitz say that this organization frequently enforce laws that put the interest of rich nations first, which can occasionally cause economic hardship in underdeveloped countries. Stiglitz notes that the one size fits all strategy used by the World Bank and IMF has had flaws, par- particularly in how they have handled development assistance and financial crisis. Although the organization have contribute to the stabilization of world banking, their practices have come under heavy fire, escalating inequality and reducing national sovereignty. Maintaining trust in these organizations must deal with their past failings while also bringing their contribution to world stability.